math, 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 math. Science, 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 science. Okay, so today we are going to continue looking at matter and measuring matter. Remember yesterday or the last lesson, I wanted you to explain why measurement was important and why using appropriate units was important. And so today we are going to measure different objects, right? So our learning target today is I can calculate the volume of a regular shaped object. Yes, you can use your calculator. I hope you don't need to. We'll do some pretty simple problems. But yes, you can use your calculator or calculator function on your Chromebook or your computer or your phone or whatever, because you always have that with you. You don't have to memorize this. Here's our term today. It's volume. Say it with me. Volume. Volume is the amount of space that something occupies. And to find volume, there's a formula. Length times width times height equals volume. L stands for length, W for width, H for height, and V stands for volume. This might sound familiar, like math. Yep, like math. And it's okay. Don't freak out. It's going to be all right. In solids, we usually use meters or centimeters cubed or millimeters cubed. When we measure liquids, we usually use liters or milliliters, okay? So I drew this amazing three-dimensional rectangle, and I gave you some measurements. There's 5 centimeters for the length, 2 centimeters for the width, and 3 centimeters for the height. It's actually really easy to draw these kind of shapes and figures, but if you don't know how to and you've never seen it done, literally I put a 1-minute video right after this so that you can watch it and you can draw cubes and cubes and rectangles and cubes and all you want. Really, you just draw the front shape first, 1, 2, 3, and then you connect them. That's pretty much it. So to find the volume for this particular object, we have to multiply length, which is 5, times the width, which is 2, that gives us 10, times the height, which is 3. So 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30. And what is our units? Centimeters cubed. This is super important. And centimeters cubed looks like a little 3 at the top. And the reason is because you can measure this by putting cubic centimeters in it, right? So that centimeters wasn't very clear. But yep, centimeters cubed. I'm going to ask you in word problems and in picture problems to find the volume. So this question says, what is the volume of a truck that has a length of 7 meters, a width of 2 meters, and a height of 4 meters? Let's pause the video and see if you can get it. Hopefully you had 7 times 2 times 4, which gives you an answer of, who knows the answer? Hopefully you got it. All right, today you're going to watch a quick video and then you're going to design 2 of your own volume problems and show how to calculate the volume. So you can either do 2 more written volume problems, or you can do a written problem and a picture problem, or you can do 2 picture problems. It's completely up to you, but please make sure whatever it is you decide to use, whether it's meters, by the way, this one was meters, this one was centimeters, so this one's going to end in meters cubed, right? And then make sure you have the correct units and use your little cubed symbol above it, okay? So hopefully today you have a little bit of a lighter lesson. You might have some time to finish up some assignments and turn them in. Learn something today.